In this video, I'm going to show you how you can unzip files in Google Drive. So this works because you can unzip files inside the Google Drive app instead of having to download them to your computer. So first you need to find the zip file on Google Drive. That may be a zip file that someone shared with you, or perhaps it's just a random zip file that you have on Drive. Nonetheless, find the zip file, and if we double click on it, you can see inside the zip file, for me, there are 4 videos, and I want to extract these videos. Now, to do that, you want to click on the 3 dots next to the zip file, and then it's going to give you these options. Now, what we want to do is we want to open with zip extractor. So hover over open with, and then find zip extractor. So click on that, and it will open up the zip extractor in a new window. Now, this is Google Drive's or Google's zip extractor. So all you need to do is authorize the zip extractor. Once you've done that, it's going to open up this window and it's going to prompt you to log in with your Google account. Log into the Google account which you're accessing the files from. And then go ahead and click continue here. And it's going to ask for these permissions. Just go ahead and allow that. So now once you've done that, it's going to check the files. And you can see here, we're unzipping the test.zip file. You can see here the progress bar is going to go to 100%. And once it's done, it should then extract the files. Okay, so now that's done and it's ready to extract the zip files. We can now click extract to drive, and eventually, depends how big your file is, it then should extract them. Okay, so now that's all done, you can then click view files in Drive, and that will open up Google Drive again. Now, if we go ahead and go to my Drive, you'll be able to see these files and they should be extracted. So here you can see that you've got the test.zip folder, and these are now unzipped. So if you go ahead and click inside this folder, you've got these videos here which have been extracted, and you can open these and download these individually if you want. So that's how you can unzip a file in Google Drive. I hope that quick video did help you out.